It's a year since we started the work here, and to see how much it's changed just in that short space of time. We're sitting on the reservoir bunds here, and they would have gone all the way around this wetland this time last year. And we placed the material in the field next to us. That's given us this fantastic view that we're looking at today. So we can see right the way across the wetland. We see the cows grazing in the background. And then in the foreground, you've got all of this exposed mud, which is attracting the birds that you might be able to hear in the background. And also that exposed mud will eventually accumulate peat, and that's really good to sequester carbon. So this little tiny piece of work that we've done here is actually really important for nature conservation, really important for people, and really important for sequestering carbon as well. We can't save nature unless people are really enthused about it. So what's important to me about this place now is hopefully we'll attract a few more people that might usually have just gone and had a cup of coffee or something in the cafe there. Come out, have a look, tell your friends about this place, and just try and enthuse people about the lovely nature we have in the UK.